On today's show, Barb and I are going to make a Korean beef, rice, and veggies meal with a fried egg. It has a lot of really good spices and some veggies. I know you're going to want to see this, so let's get started. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. To start, let's make our rice, because that probably takes the longest. And here's Barb with the question of the day.
Do you like rice? If you like rice, give me a thumbs up.
So, you can boil water and put it in a pan and do it that way. I have a rice pot that boils. Either way, I would spray it with some Pam. Not always necessary with the fancy pans, but I like to do it. So I have the water and the rice all measured out, and all of the measurements, if you want to find them, they're right down below where it says the Diabetic Diet Show. If you hit that button, you'll see the more button and all the ingredients will be listed there, so you don't have to write things down. So the rice will start cooking on its own. Now, when we're all done, we're going to fry up an egg for on top, and I'm going to put that off to the side. Next is the veggies. So, for the veggies, we're going to be using a sesame oil. So, I have sesame oil measured out, and I will fry up our veggies. We'll get that pan going nice and hot. And then we'll get these veggies in here. I have the bok choy leaves, carrots, and the bottom of the green onion scallions. We'll save the tops for garnish for later. Sesame seeds, those always go on the top later. Those are your garnish. We also have garlic and salt and pepper. While that's cooking, I have the ingredients all ready to go for the meat. I have a sesame oil, and then you need a spice, mix, rub. This is basically Worcestershire sauce if you taste it, but it has a little bit of a hot to the marinade. It's probably like a sambolic if you were to read the ingredients. And of course, rice vinegar is important in Asian dishes. And then the 5 spice. I have all that measured out, and a little container of water even. So I'll get my salt and pepper ready to go. This is almost done. It is done. Timer will be beeping. Stop that. I'm going to put the veggies in a bowl like this. And I have a burner here. I can put just like this to keep it warm. Then let's do the meat. Now for the meat, we need to make a marinade. So let's grab another bowl. And let's get our marinade going. So big bowl. All of our ingredients. This is the easy part. Just like that. Then we can grab a whisk and whisk it up together. Nice bowl whisk. Have you seen these? These you typically use like on a flat bottom bowl. You know, a mixing bowl has a round bottom on it. The flat bottoms are more of a serving bowl or a holding bowl. And so some genius made a flat bottom whisk. There you go. Let's put some salt and pepper in here. Just like that. Then we'll get our meat in the mixing bowl. And there is only one way to do this, and that is to use your hands. Now, this meat that I bought is pre-tenderized. So it has been beaten with a hammer to make it soft. And you can wear gloves if you want to do this. My hands were clean. Keyword were. Just like this. Lay it out in here. If it takes you a while to get your pan warm, you might want to leave it on when going from the veggies to the meat, but for me, this is butane that I'm using, and this is actually really hot, so it gets hot right away. Okay, now we have to let that cook. It's beef, so it needs to be over 150 with a digital thermometer. When the meat gets quiet, it's done. Check it with your digital thermometer. Make sure it's over 150. Yep, I'm 161. I'm done. My rice is done. Let's put this in a serving bowl. And next, I have my egg. They'll sit for a minute. I'll use some water to baste them. Pepper. Salt. My salt is sea salt and garlic salt mixed together. Just filled up my container. Not a lot. There we go. The rice is all done. Unplug that. It's in the warm mode. Grab a spoon and a plate. Nice big helping of rice in the center. Then I need to grab my gloves, just in case this bowl is hot. to the spoon. Nice big helping of vegetables on the rice. Nice big serving of the meat. Like that. And an egg goes right on top. Just like that. There you go. If you like watching this, here's some more recipes just like it.